Thanks for coming back. Now we're going to talk about some basic data manipulation skills that you're going to need to work in SMAK. In this tutorial, we're going to look at three SMAK functionalities: tricolor plots, correlation plots, and map math. The first functionality we're going to look at is tricolor plots, which can be accessed using the tricolor plots button on the graphical interface. This tool will allow you to plot three different channels all at the same time. When the tricolor plot controller opens, you can select which channel you would like to observe in red, in green, and in blue. Looking at your data this way can often highlight different phases that are present in your samples. Correlation plots are another way of observing the elemental spatial correlations that we can see in the tricolored maps. Access the correlation plots using the correlation plots box in the graphical user interface. When the window opens, select a channel of interest. Then select a channel to compare it to. Compare all the channels against each other. If you find an interesting spatial correlation or anti-correlation and want to see that on the map, all you have to do is select Define Mask. Then click on the plot to define the points that you're interested in looking at more closely. Double-click to connect the last point to the first point to finish defining the area. When the points of interest are defined, go back to the main GUI interface. Look at the distribution of those points by clicking on Use Mask in the main GUI interface. All other points will become blue, so you can really see the areas where the masked points are located. This mask will remain in effect regardless of the channel that you are interested in until you click the Ignore Mask button in the main graphical interface. If you are interested in going back and looking at a different area, simply select Clear Mask in the correlation plots. Then you can define another mask. The last functionality we're going to explore in this tutorial is map math. This will allow you to apply mathematical functions such as adding, multiplying, dividing to the maps. Begin by selecting Map Math from the main graphical interface. This will open the Map Math window. There are a wide variety of operations which you can apply to every one of the channels. To do this, you can select the data channel to normalize, select the function to apply or the operation to apply, and then select another data channel if needed. Then you need to select a new channel name, then do the calculation, and then save the calculation if it's something that you want to keep. That's all for this tutorial. Please join us for the next tutorial, Data Processing, where we can begin to apply these tools that you've learned in SMAK.